In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up MetaTrader 4 for auto trading. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, automating your trading strategy can save time and help manage multiple trading scenarios simultaneously. Let's dive right in and get you set up efficiently. First, you'll want to open MetaTrader 4 on your computer. This software is a powerful tool for trading currencies and is widely used in the Forex trading community. To begin, you need to select your broker. It's important that you connect with a broker that you trust and one that offers the features you need, as this will be where all your automated trading transactions are executed. Once you've connected to your broker, the next step is to click on Tools in the top navigation bar. This will open up a drop-down menu where you'll see an option called Options. Go ahead and click on that. The Options menu gives you a wide range of settings to configure the platform to your liking, but today, we're specifically focusing on how to prepare MetaTrader 4 for automatic trading. Now, within the Options window, you'll find several tabs. Click on the one labeled Expert Advisors. Expert Advisors, often referred to as EAs, are programs that can automatically trade the markets on your behalf by following specific, pre-programmed rules. Now, you may be wondering why it's essential to navigate to this particular tab. The Expert Advisors tab houses all the settings related to automated trading operations within MetaTrader 4. Here, you'll see a few important checkboxes. One of them is Allow Automated Trading. Tick this box because it enables MetaTrader 4 to execute trades automatically based on your EAs. Another box you'll find is Allow DLL Imports. A DLL, or Dynamic Link Library, is a type of file that contains code and data that can be used by multiple programs at the same time. DLL imports are often necessary for EAs to access more complex functions, so make sure this box is checked as well. Once these settings are configured, click the OK button to apply the changes. And there you have it. MetaTrader 4 is now set up to handle automated trading. This setup is crucial for ensuring that your EAs can run smoothly without any hitches. By following these steps, you've streamlined and enhanced your trading strategy, giving you more time to analyze the markets or focus on other trades. Remember to regularly check and update your EAs to reflect any changes in market conditions, ensuring your automated trading remains effective. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more trading tips and tutorials. Happy trading!